Hi everybody, Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school, and it is a Friday afternoon. I'm just finishing up for the day, and as I drive I'm going to look at some tips I can give you after what happened on a few lessons today, some questions I was asked and items and things to avoid on a driving test. So the first one we're going to look at is what's called clearance on a driving test. So just in case you don't know, clearance simply means that you keep a safe distance away from everything. Now, a lot of people narrow clearance down to keeping a door length out from parked cars, and that is correct, but clearance is a whole lot more than that. So it also means that you must keep well back from cars in front of you. You should be able to see the back wheels down to the ground, TNT, tar and tyres for the cars in front of you. It also means you keep a safe distance away from pretty much everything. Cyclists, pedestrians, anything at all that could be considered a hazard. You must keep a safe cocoon around your car. So there's no difficulty level really in clearance. It's just to be conscious that you need to keep a nice safe distance away and make sure you're that safe distance, and that way your examiner will not be tapping the iPad with clearance as the reason. The other area I want to look at today is beckoning. And this is a question I was asked earlier on. It came up on a lesson, and one of the students I was teaching beckoned to another road user to walk across, and I said, pull in here after that and we'll have a little chat. So it's actually on the marking sheet for the driving test. You cannot beckon to another road user, so you can't wave somebody across. You can pause and look as if to say, look, you're going to walk anyway maybe, so walk away, but you cannot beckon to another road user. You stop if you feel it's necessary, that it would be dangerous for you to continue for whatever reason. You can turn this around as well, and maybe another car might beckon you to move on, or even a pedestrian or a cyclist might beckon you to move at a junction. You can move, no problem whatsoever, but make sure it is safe. Because very often that other car driver or the pedestrian who's telling you to go may not have checked properly that it's safe for you to go. So taking advantage of somebody else letting you move is absolutely grand. Just make sure it is safe. And the second tip that we covered earlier on from today is that clearance tip, that you keep a safe distance, a nice cocoon around your car, and keep a safe distance from everything. Do both of those and they will help you to pass your driving test first time. Check out the course. It's never been better value. We're doing a special deal for 12 months access to the course at the moment at PassFirstTime.ie. Thanks to all the new subscribers, by the way. We've had a huge amount over the last couple of weeks. Thank you to all of you and to everybody who has purchased the course. If you're getting value out of these tips, please like and subscribe, and we'll have another tip for you in the next couple of days. Safe motoring and the best of luck with your driving test. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course, saving you time, money, and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.